Menteri Rangbah Kajelah Konrad Ki Sangma rengkat ba Symbud Menteri Rangbah obak pres tun tensong. Kila Hiar syaka nombak Delhi bani kendu ye ki menteri jong Sorkar Pdeng ki bakmi ye ki tenat baper na kebentaban pan Jingiarap Pisa ye Kajelah bahkan la ban penteri kam ye ki kam penroi bat iki jingdon kam.
Menteri Rangbah badu Symbud Menteri Rangbah Kajelah kila poyo kejat akan nombak Delhi hak sni balang jong ketayo bad hagani gesni kini ginong yalam naga Kajelah kile kendo ya ka menteri pelatengka ke Sorkar Pdeng ka Nirmala Sitharaman bani keren halor kila Jingiarap Pisa syaka Kajelah kini ginong yalam kila ai tiru ya kedor khas hak menteri bakerpat bantu kelar lem hak ban kentiono ak hak khajna jong Kajelah Meghalaya naga khajna jong Sorkar Pdeng bad pentip ru ik jinglong jengman ka yarong tengka jong Kajelah. Kini ginong yalam kala kerpat ru ika menteri bahkan tuklar lem hakaban pak penkhatanat yaki bang hakaleng kisnong nong kendong jong Kajelah kenang bani wajeng mentoi kipat ba. Hagani kesngi kini ginong yalam kile kendo ru ya menteri kena katanat pelatengka Anurag Thakur bade keren halor ke jing plelat plelenti ik jing bay tengka jong ke World Bank bad ke New Development Bank naga bentaki projek hak Kajelah. Kila pentip ru halor ki lightly projek bala bay tengka na sabar ki bedai bad kakot kakya kakam jungokai perthai bad ka jing shna surok hak Kajelah.
Yes, along with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, I had gone and met a number of cabinet ministers and Government of India today. Primarily, we had a meeting with our Honorable Minister of Finance, Government of India, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman ji, and I discussed about the different financial situations that is there in the state. The fact that due to COVID and the impact on the economy, our taxes have been affected a lot. Our taxes from the central government have also been affected, and hence I requested her to look into the possibility of increasing or at least giving us the amount which is projected in the budget in terms of the taxes. So those matters were discussed, and Madam has assured that she will definitely examine the matter and look into it. At the same time, I had a discussion also about the banking infrastructure and the fact that we need to increase the number of banks. Madam has also agreed to definitely look into this in a very positive manner.
Shosho Menteri Rangbah Kajelah badu Symbud Menteri Rangbah kilalit je kenduk ru ya Menteri Katanat Animal Husbandry, Fisheries but Dairying Giriraj Singh bad ekran halor ki projek balak banwanra ha Kajelah na kebenta ban kentio ka kamrimasi ris nyang bad ridok ha. Hadian kini kile kenduk saya Menteri Kena Katanat Heavy Industries and Public Enterprise Arjun M Megwal bad ekran halor ki babon ki kam bedai bad kejengwan raano ki kali elektrik kamtam na kebenta ban penlong yaki kum ki kali kamai pat ba. Kini kinong yalam na Kajelah Meghalaya kilali kenduk ru ya Menteri Katanat Minority Affairs kari Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Bad hagni kejing kenduk Menteri Rangbah ulapan pawi kejing sengungu ya Menteri bad Katanat namar kejing bay tengka bantai ke PA Sangma Stadium Hatura. Menteri Rangbah ulapan tibru kejing ya jong ke projek bad ya thu ba kejing khot tanda ya ke projek kan seurlong hapok ka shibna shiteng. Nalor keniu le keren ru alor kejing terwa bantau ya ke training center for paramedical staff ha Kajelah kaban long ka wei ke slam aji kai pentebit kaban kedup ya berok Kajelah jong katan citelam ni badru bantau ke auditorium Hatura.
And we discussed in detail regarding the PA Sangma Stadium in Tura, and I thanked him and the ministry for sanctioning that project. And I also informed him that the tendering process has already started and we should be able to allot the work in the next month and a half. Apart from that, we had also requested and discussed about the possibility of having a project for an auditorium in Garo Hills in Tura, and he has given us a very positive reply to that too. At the same time, we discussed about the possibility of putting a training center for paramedical staff. And I think in the situation in COVID, this is something that's really required. And this would be a hub, and it would be a skill institute which would cater to the entire Northeast. And the Honorable Minister was very happy to see this proposal from our side, and he has assured that he will